Welcome back, everyone. Today we're diving into the best refrigerators of 2025. Whether you're looking for high-tech smart options or ultra-efficient models, we've got something for every kitchen. If you're enjoying our content, be sure to hit that like button, drop a comment with your favorite fridge from this list, and subscribe to stay in the loop with all the latest and greatest home tech. Let's chill and check out these cool options. Number 1, LG LRFL C2706S stands out as a top contender in the crowded market of French door models. With a sleek design and an array of innovative features, this refrigerator is perfect for anyone looking to enhance their kitchen while keeping food fresh and organized. One of the standout features of the LG LRFL C2706S is its impressive capacity. With 27 cubic feet of storage space, you will have plenty of room for all your groceries, ensuring that everything from fruits and vegetables to large party platters can fit with ease. The adjustable shelves and spacious door bins allow for flexible storage options, making it easy to customize the layout according to your needs. In terms of performance, the LG LRFL C2706S excels at maintaining optimal temperatures and humidity levels. The smart cooling system uses multiple cooling vents to ensure that air is evenly distributed throughout the refrigerator, preventing hot spots and keeping your food fresher for longer. Additionally, the fridge is equipped with a linear compressor that operates quietly and efficiently, helping to save energy and reduce your utility bills. Another feature that sets the LG LRFL C2706S apart is its sleek stainless steel finish, which not only adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen, but is also easy to clean and maintain. The refrigerator comes with a fingerprint-resistant coating, so you can enjoy a clean look without constantly wiping smudges away. The built-in water and ice dispenser is another highlight, providing convenient access to chilled. Number 2. GE GNE27JYMFS. French door refrigerator is a standout choice for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen with a stylish and functional appliance. After extensive testing and analysis, we found that this model combines advanced features with a sleek design, making it a top contender in its category. One of the most impressive aspects of the GE GNE27JYMFS is its spacious interior. With a generous 27 cubic feet of capacity, it offers ample storage for all your groceries, including large items thanks to its adjustable shelves and extra-wide door bins. The interior is well lit with LED lighting, allowing you to easily find what you need, even in the back of the fridge. Performance-wise, this refrigerator excels in temperature regulation. The advanced cooling technology ensures that your food stays fresh longer, while the dual evaporators help maintain optimal humidity levels in both the refrigerator and freezer compartments. During our tests, we found that the GE GNE27JYMFS maintained consistent temperatures, even during hot summer days. Another noteworthy feature is the built-in water and ice dispenser, which provides filtered water and cubed or crushed ice on demand. This adds convenience and encourages hydration, making it a great addition to any household. In terms of design, the stainless steel finish not only looks modern, but is also resistant to fingerprints and smudges, making it easy to maintain. The French door configuration adds a touch of elegance while also allowing for easy access to your food items. Number 3. KitchenAid KRS-C703HPS side-by-side refrigerator deserves your attention. Priced around $2,899 on Amazon, this model combines modern aesthetics with advanced features to enhance your kitchen experience. One of the standout aspects of the KRS-C703HPS is its spacious interior. With a total capacity of 25.8 cubic feet, it offers ample room to store groceries, leftovers, and everything in between. The adjustable shelves provide customizable storage options, making it easy to accommodate items of various sizes. The refrigerator features a sleek stainless steel finish, which not only looks great, but is also fingerprint resistant, helping to maintain its clean appearance. The exterior ice and water dispenser is another convenience, providing chilled water and ice at your fingertips without having to open the door. Inside, the LED lighting illuminates every corner, making it easy to find what you need, even in low light. The Fresh Seal Crisper drawers are designed to keep fruits and vegetables fresher for longer, while the temperature-controlled pantry drawer allows you to customize the storage for deli items and snacks. Additionally, the KitchenAid KRS-C703HPS is equipped with a powerful cooling system that ensures consistent temperatures, which is crucial for food preservation. The refrigerator is also designed with energy efficiency in mind, helping you save on electricity bills while being environmentally friendly. Number 4. Bosch 800 Series B36CL80ENS stands out as a top choice for those seeking a perfect blend of style, functionality, and advanced features. Priced at around $3,199 on Amazon, this refrigerator offers an impressive array of qualities that make it a worthy investment for any modern kitchen. First and foremost, the design is sleek and sophisticated, with its stainless steel finish giving it a premium look that complements any decor. The counter depth feature means it sits flush with your cabinetry, providing a seamless aesthetic that many homeowners desire. One of the standout features of the Bosch 800 series is its spacious 20.5 cu. FT capacity, which is ideal for families or anyone who enjoys hosting gatherings. The 4-door French door configuration allows for easy access to both fresh and frozen items, eliminating the frustrating experience of rummaging through a bottom freezer. The adjustable shelves and ample door bins provide customizable storage options, making organization a breeze. Performance-wise, this refrigerator excels in keeping your food fresh. The multi-airflow system ensures consistent temperatures throughout the fridge, while the VitaFresh Pro drawers help maintain optimal humidity levels for fruits and vegetables, prolonging their freshness. Additionally, the refrigerator is equipped with an internal water dispenser and a built-in ice maker, offering convenience without compromising on space. Smart technology is another highlight of the Bosch 800 Series B36CL80ENS. With Home Connect, you can control and monitor your refrigerator from your smartphone. Number 5. Samsung Bespoke RF29BB8600QLAA is a standout in the world of refrigerators, seamlessly blending style, functionality, and cutting-edge technology. Priced at approximately $3,499 on Amazon, this 29CU. Whirlpool French door refrigerator is designed not only to keep your food fresh, but also to enhance the aesthetic of your kitchen. One of the most notable features of the Bespoke RF29BB8600QLAA is its customizable design. With a variety of color and panel options, you can personalize the look to match your kitchen decor perfectly. This flexibility sets it apart from traditional refrigerators and makes it a great choice for homeowners looking to make a statement. In terms of functionality, the refrigerator is equipped with a beverage center, which includes a built-in water dispenser and a convenient compartment for easy access to drinks. The Flex Zone drawer is another highlight, offering adjustable temperature settings ideal for storing everything from deli meats to ice cream. Performance-wise, this refrigerator excels with its Twin Cooling Plus technology, which helps maintain optimal humidity levels for both the refrigerator and freezer compartments, reducing odor transfer and ensuring the freshness of your groceries. The energy-efficient LED lighting brightens every corner, making it easy to find what you need even in low light. Moreover, the smart technology integration allows you to control the refrigerator remotely via the SmartThings app, giving you the ability to monitor and adjust settings right from your smartphone. This feature is especially useful for busy families or tech-savvy users. Number 6. Whirlpool WRX735SDHZ is a standout appliance that effortlessly combines style, functionality, and advanced features, making it a fantastic choice for any modern kitchen. With a sleek stainless steel finish and a 24.5 CU. F-tier capacity, this 4-door French door refrigerator meets the demands of families and individuals alike, offering ample space and easy access to your favorite foods. One of the highlights of the WRX735SDHZ is its innovative storage solutions. The Flexi Slide Bin allows you to adjust the shelving to accommodate taller items, while the indoor ice system frees up valuable freezer space for more storage. Additionally, the fridge features adjustable shelves and humidity-controlled crispers, ensuring that your fruits and vegetables stay fresh for longer. Performance-wise, this refrigerator excels in temperature regulation, maintaining the ideal environment for your perishables. The AccuChill temperature management system uses built-in sensors to monitor conditions and adjust cooling accordingly, which is especially beneficial during hot summer months. Noise levels are impressively low, making it a quiet addition to your kitchen. Users also appreciate the fingerprint-resistant exterior, which helps maintain a clean and polished look with minimal effort. As for pricing, the Whirlpool WRX735SDHZ typically retails around $2,399 on Amazon, but prices may vary based on sales and promotions, so it's worth checking regularly for the best deal. In summary, the Whirlpool WRX735SDHZ is an excellent investment for those seeking a reliable and stylish refrigerator.